Welcome to class 7 mathematics. Now I am going to discuss about chapter 6 the triangle and its properties. In that today I am going to discuss exterior angles and its properties. Let's move to the topic. Exterior angle of a triangle and its properties. What is meant by exterior angles of a triangle? Here look at the figure. A triangle is drawn and its sides are extended, or the sides of the triangle are produced using dotted lines. And near the dotted line, outside it is marked as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. That is, if we produce the sides of a triangle, we can see that at each vertex there are 4 angles will formed. In the upper vertex there are 4 angles formed. One angle is interior of the triangle. Another angle is its vertically opposite angle, and other 2 angles are marked as 3 and 4. So the vertically opposite angle to the interior angle of the triangle are not its exterior angle. Other 2 angles are called exterior angle of the triangle. Now look at the left side of the triangle, that vertex. The interior angle is given here. The interior angle is marked by using the line, and its opposite angle, the arrow mark is shown. They are the vertically opposite angle to the interior angle. So these two angles are not the exterior angle, and other 2 angles, that is angle 1 and angle 2, are exterior angles. Similarly, the marked angle is the interior angle of the triangle, and its vertically opposite angles, they are not exterior angles. Other 2 angles are called exterior angle of the triangle. So that is angle 5 and angle 6 are exterior angles of the triangles. So how many exterior angles are there in this triangle? So in a triangle there are 6 exterior angles. Look at the 6 exterior angles. They are marked as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. They are the 6 exterior angles of the triangle. There are 6 exterior angles of triangle ABC. They are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. At each vertex we get 2 exterior angles. An exterior angle of a triangle formed when a side of the triangle produced. In triangle ABC, 3 and 4 are the exterior angle on vertex A. Similarly, next we can see exterior angle property of a triangle. What is meant by exterior angle property of a triangle? Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. This is called exterior angle property of a triangle. Look at the figure. Triangle ABC is given and side AC is produced and marked as D. Consider triangle BCD. What type of angle is this? Yes, angle BCD is the exterior angle. You have studied that at each vertex we will get 2 exterior angles. Total 6 exterior angles are there in a triangle. Here we are considering only one exterior angle, that is represented by red color. That is angle BCD is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. By exterior angle property of triangle, it is understood that exterior angle BCD will be equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles means it should be the interior angles. Which are the interior angles of the triangle? That is represented by blue color, green color and a colorless one, that is angle C just near to the red color. The interior angle is the white one here. These are the 3 interior angles. How we will get the exterior angle? The sum of opposite interior angles. Which are the opposite interior angles? Angle ACB is the adjacent angle of angle BCD. So angle ACB will not be the interior opposite angle. Then which are the interior opposite angles? Yes, angle A and angle B. That is angle BAC and angle ABC are the 2 opposite interior angles of triangle ABC, or 2 opposite interior angles of the exterior angle BCD. Is it clear? The angle which adjacent to the exterior angle is not the opposite interior angle. The remaining 2 interior angle of the triangle are called opposite interior angles. So here angle BCD is the exterior angle, hence exterior angle equal to angle sum of opposite interior angles. That is angle BCD equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. This is called exterior angle property. By using this property, we will solve the sums. Next, we will try these questions of page number 118. An exterior angle of a triangle is of measure 70 degree and one of its interior opposite angle is of measure 25 degree. Find the measure of the other interior opposite angle. So what is given here? Measure of exterior angle is given 70 degree. If you need, you can draw a triangle here and mark the given measures. One of its interior opposite angle is given 25 degree. So what is the exterior angle property? Yes, exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Hence, exterior angle is given, one of its interior opposite angle is given. So how to find the other interior opposite angle? We should subtract the given interior opposite angle from the exterior angle. That is 70 minus 25 degree, that is equal to 45 degree. Question number 2. The two interior opposite angles of an exterior angle of a triangle are 60 degree and 80 degree. Find the measure of the exterior angle. Here two interior opposite angles are given. What is the measure of exterior angle? By using the property, yes, exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So, exterior angle equal to 60 plus 80, we will get 140 degrees the exterior angle. Next, is something wrong in this diagram? Please comment it. Is something wrong? Here one exterior angle of a triangle is given and two of its opposite interior angle is given. From the property of exterior angle property of triangle, it is understood that sum of interior opposite angles will be equal to 50 exterior angle. But here sum of interior opposite angle is not equal to the exterior angle given. So instead of 50 degree, they have to give here 100 degree. Given exterior angle equal to 50 degree, interior opposite angles are 50 degree and 50 degree. By the property of exterior angle, we get exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles, that is equal to 50 plus 50 equal to 100, which is not equal to 50. So the exterior angle given here is wrong. Next, exercise 6.2, question number 1. Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. Here x is given as the exterior angle. Now you can recall the exterior angle property of triangle. What is meant by exterior angle property of triangle? Exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is marked by angle x, that is equal to 50 plus 70, that is 120 degree. Question number 2. Given interior angles are 65 degree and 45 degree. Exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That is angle x equal to 65 plus 45 equal to 110 degree. Question number 3. Given interior angles are 30 degree and 40 degree. Exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That is angle x equal to 30 plus 40 equal to 70 degree. Next, question number 4. Given interior opposite angles are 60 degree and 60 degree. Exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. By the property of exterior angle, property of triangle. Hence angle x equal to 60 plus 60 equal to 120 degree. Question number 5. Given interior opposite angles are 50 degree and 50 degree. Exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That is angle x equal to 50 plus 50 equal to 100 degree. Next, question number 6. Given interior opposite angles are 30 degree and 60 degree. Exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Hence angle x equal to 30 plus 60 equal to. Next, question number 2. Find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figures. Here they have given the exterior angle. By using exterior angle property of triangle, we have to find the unknown opposite interior angles. Given interior opposite angles are 50 degree and x degree. exterior angle equal to 115 degree. Sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle. Hence x plus 50 equal to 115. Therefore x equal to 115 minus 50 equal to 65 degree. Next, question number 2. Given interior opposite angles are 70 degree and x degree. Exterior angle equal to 100 degree. Sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle. Therefore, x plus 70 equal to 100, or x equal to 100 minus 70 equal to 30 degree. Next, question number 3. Given interior opposite angles are angle x and 90 degree. Exterior angle equal to 125 degree. Sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle, that is 90 plus x equal to 125 degree, or x equal to 125 minus 90, that is equal to 35 degree. Next question, question number 4. Given interior opposite angles are 60 degree and x degree. Exterior angle equal to 120 degree. Sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle. Therefore, x plus 60 equal to 120, or x equal to 120 minus 60 equal to 60 degree. Next question, question number 5. Given interior opposite angles are 30 degree and x degree. Exterior angle equal to 80 degree. Sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle, that is 30 plus x equal to 80 degree, or x equal to 80 minus 30, that is exterior angle x equal to 50 degree. The last question, question number 6. Given interior opposite angles are 35 degree and x degree. Exterior angle equal to 75 degree. Sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle, that is 35 plus x equal to 75 degree, or x equal to 75 minus 35 equal to 40 degree.